All right, good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com, Real Traders Club live session on Tuesday, May 30th, 2023, after the long Memorial Day weekend. It was great to have the time off. Hope you got a chance to celebrate and, a great time to pause and remember good stuff. But weekend's over, market's open, and we are back to work. And lo and behold, it looks like we have a deal. The White House and Speaker McCarthy over the weekend signaled that they've come to terms. Now they're, writing out the details of the bill and trying to sell it to the various caucuses and get the thing passed. And, the positioning continues, all the sound bites and hand wringing and this and that. There's going to be some volatility between now and when the bill passes. I predict it will pass, as I have for some time now, saying they'll come to a deal. Also, I think it was Friday, Secretary Yellen, Secretary of the Treasury, said, yeah, the actual date X day has moved out from June 1st to about June 5th. So got a couple more days and they got time, but I believe there will be some volatility in the market as stories break, headlines get written, people position and do their talking points and their whole thing. But I predict it will get passed, and that will be that. And that's really the big deal in the market right now. All eyes are on it. There's some other individual company stuff going on that's moving the individual stocks. The Dow is off just a little bit. The S&P 500 is up about the same, 0.14%. NASDAQ is up. Elon Musk is in China and meeting with China's foreign minister. Tesla is jumping on that. NVIDIA hit the $1 trillion market cap. Last week they surged huge amount on great earnings and the fact that AI is a graphics play, not a CPU play. And of course, here's the headline: debt ceiling bill faces tough path in the House. GOP opposition bills. In my forecast, it'll get passed. But they got to do their thing. They've got a script. Disappointing. And that really is the big deal. In terms of economic reports, let's just look here at the Forex Factory economic calendar. HPI, month over month, home prices up. So that's the Case Shiller said, hey, the slump in home prices looks like it found a bottom and home prices are stabilizing. I believe this is the 10 city average. This might be the 20 city. Either way, the home prices look like they found a bottom, didn't fall that much, and heading up. And all the mortgage companies that I hear on the radio going, yeah, home prices are forever. Mortgages, they can be refinanced. You better go buy a house and get a mortgage. All right. Other than that, job openings, unemployment claims later in the week, and the employment report. Nothing earth-shattering. It's all going to be about the debt ceiling bill being passed, and then the sound bites coming out of that. And I think we'll have some volatility until it passes. Here is the S&P 500 daily chart. You can see, late last week, Friday, right, pretty good move up to new highs, right, for the year. So this is the intra-year high. Here you can see, if we go zoom out, bigger picture, right, it's not the all-time high, not even close, but we are pretty clearly in a wave 5, continuation of that original bull trend, which came after COVID, and for, again, putting new highs in for the year with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. No chart. Oh, well, that's a bummer. How's that? Okay. You guys see it now? Your Zoom share, hopefully. Better. Okay. Here we are, S&P 500. There was the previous intra-year high. Here we are above that, and here is the big picture, right? It's a post-pandemic boom, the rally, the correction, and now we're starting to head up target for this pretty high up here at new highs, all-time highs up in the zone. It will take time, months or years to work out, but here we are in the current deal in an uptrend. Okay, and we've been participating in that with some of the picks we've made. So that's the overall market update. Big deal is the debt negotiation, debt ceiling negotiation. Predicted will pass. I predicted before they would get a deal. And there'll be some hand wringing and some volatility, but ultimately, end of the day, it'll pass.